UVCeed, the smart, chemical-free way to kill 99.99% of germs. UVCeed is transforming the way we clean by using smart UVC light technology to eliminate 99.99% of germs, without relying on harsh chemicals. Developed by Dr. Peter Benuti and Justin Byers, this hospital-grade device attaches to your smartphone and uses artificial intelligence to guide real-time disinfection. Its app maps out surfaces with your phone's camera, giving you instant visual feedback to ensure every area receives proper UVC exposure. The system also includes safety features like automatic shut-off when people or pets are nearby, making it a smarter, safer choice for homes, schools, offices, and travel. Unlike traditional chemical disinfectants that can cause health issues and environmental damage, UVCeed offers a reusable, eco-friendly solution that leaves no toxic residue. Lab-tested and EPA-registered, it effectively kills pathogens like SARS-CoV-2, E. coli, and MRSA, without contributing to water or plastic pollution. Whether you're cleaning toys, laptops, or airplane tray tables, UVC delivers peace of mind with clean you can see and trust.